Your air filter box lives right here in front of the battery. We have 2 metal tabs you want to push back. Let me show you. There's one metal tab, pull it back, that unlocks it. And the other one is right underneath here. You can feel it and just pull it back. Now our box is unlocked. From this side, we'll grab a hold of our duct here, pull up and push away from us. That'll get it out. Now there's electrical wire over here. Just be careful of it. You can push it out of the way if needed. We'll bring this whole thing up, just like that. Now our air filter is right underneath. We'll pull it out. Now we'll just take our new one. We'll slide it under, just till it all falls in. Make sure it's sitting flat. Then we'll take this, put it back under. Watch our electrical wire. There we go. Now we'll lift on this side while we pull towards us. We want to get these 3 tabs back in their slot. So locate those tabs. Lift up. There we go, it drops in. Let me show you what it looks like. So right here we want all 3 tabs in their slot and the box pushed all the way forward as much as it can go. Now over here we'll just lock our tabs. We'll kind of push down with our thumb on the box and then pull up with our finger. We'll do that back here too. All right, that's it. Air filter replaced.